been a little while. It's minus 20 out today. I'll put a screenshot in the video there in the top corner or something. We're gonna try and cold start the Honda. Let's just find a place to place the phone down. Choke doesn't work, so gotta choke it this way. Little throttle with the leg. Little cold out, but she started. Let her run for a little while. All right, on to the next cold start. All right, next cold start. It's gonna be this generator. She hasn't ran since, before there was snow on the ground. I believe October, middle of October. It's now end of December, almost Christmas time. So I'll find a place to put you guys down. Alright, so this one's hooked up to a big car battery on a trickle charger. Now in the winter times I've found I've got to go full choke, plus find the air intake and choke that off by hand too. There we go. Let that choke for a little bit. There's the exhaust. Take it off economy so that it just can run a little more RPM in her. She's running full throttle, no choke. All right, now we're gonna go to the next cold start. There's a diesel heater in that camper. I'm curious to see how it starts at -20 right now. All right, so the last cold start, third one, is gonna be this Chinese diesel heater that's in my camper. It's been in here for a few years now. She looks about half full of fuel. It hasn't ran since, oh, when did I use the camper last? Back in July. It was kind of chilly in the evenings, so used it. Oh, a smoke detector. It's got a battery in it still. Let's change that. There. Now the battery's not going to go chirp, chirp, chirp. It's so cold that the temperature gauge in the camper isn't even reading. So we're gonna turn off the flash, hit power. It's reading on. Set the temperature for 25 Celsius. The fan has kicked on. We're going to jump outside and go look at that exhaust. I don't want to jump outside quite yet. Hear it kicking up a little higher speed. There's some smoke. There we go. So diesel heater fired up beautifully in the cold. Ever wanted to know how dumb I really can be? Yeah, that's how dumb I can be.
I was bored, I'm lazy, and a redneck. All it needs now is a couple air-filled caster tires to replace the skids on the blower so it doesn't dig in the ground so much.